Hi, good day to all. Myself, Miss Arpita, faculty of But and But Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear kids, in the previous session, we were discussing the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching, isn't it? We have learned what is meant by figure matching and we have solved some problems based on figure matching. Let me recall once and we'll solve some exercise questions based on figure matching chapter, okay? It is a non-verbal test. Non-verbal is nothing but which consists of only figures and diagrams. It is applicable for only for Navodaya. Okay, what is your figure matching? Figure matching is also called as similarity. Okay, don't get the confused if they give similarity. Similarity and figure matching is one and the same. How the question will be arising here? They'll give one question figure, okay, the problem figure on the left hand side and four answer figures on the right hand side. So what you have to do, we have to find out the same problem figure among the four alternative options. Alternative is nothing but the option 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll give no that standard word, will call it as alternative. Okay, what is the methods of solving here? We have to go through each and every problem and we have to check the answer and we have to analyze the problem figure carefully. This is about your figure matching. In the previous class only we have learned. In this session also, let us see some more questions based on this chapter. Okay, let introduct. The problems on similarity involves the search of similar conditions. Okay, that is only they'll give the problem figures. You have to find out the same problem figure in the answer figures indicated in the problem figure. How the question will be asked here? In each of the following question, a figure is given in the left hand side. Okay, a problem figure is given in the left hand side. Find the same figure from amongst the four figures. So you have to find out the same problem figure among the four figures. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to find out the same problem figure given in the right box. Okay, now let us solve the question and answers. See, given problem is this one. Okay, let me solve this. See, a problem, let us go through problem one. See, this one will call it as problem figure. This, the four options will call it as alternative. So we have to find out the same problem figure in the alternatives. First, let us analyze the problem figure once. See, problem figure, a circle, and then it consists of some right angle like triangle here, and then the circles is designed here. Let's go to the option 1. See, option 1 is not a correct answer. Why? Because in the question it is two triangles like this, but in the option 1 it is not that. So option 1 is not the correct answer. Now we'll go to the second one. Yes, why the second one is not the answer? Because see, in the question figure it is completely designed. Here it is blank. Can you see here? Yes. Therefore, option 2 is also a not a correct answer. We'll go through option 3. Yes, see here a circle and then a design part and then the two triangles, isn't it? So option 3 is the correct answer. Now we'll go with the option 4 also. Why not the option 4 is correct answer? Because see here, yes, it looks like same. Here also one triangle, here also one triangle, but here in the question figure it is designed at the corner, but here it is in the corner, it is blank. So therefore option 4 is not also not a correct answer. Therefore the problem figure, it looks like in the option 3. Therefore option 3 is the correct answer. So what is your solution there? Option 3 is the correct answer. The problem figure is similar to the figure given in the option as figure. So we have to identify the figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. There should be not even a single dot. Okay, difference should be not be a single dot. This is how we have to answer. My dear kids, it is a very easiest chapter where you can score out of 4. I know you people are thorough with this chapter from the LKG itself. Match the following. But now you will be very hurry up, isn't it? If you know the concept also, you don't know whether you did correct or didn't done wrong, you don't know, but you are like confident, yes, I have did, but you will be making the silly mistake. So to avoid this silly mistake, my suggestion is to go through each and every options. Okay, now See, third one is also a correct answer. I know by seeing the picture only, I can say that third one is the correct answer. Why do you want to go with the first option, second option? So when you're solving at the home or at tuitions, we should go through each and every option and we should see the reason. If why first one is not a correct answer, we should able to reason why it is not a correct answer. Then only you can solve quickly in the exam. When you are practicing, you should able to read each and every question and answers. Okay, so therefore which is the correct answer here? Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, we'll move on to the next question. Yes, we'll see to the next question. Question number 2, triangle. See, one triangle and it consists of small triangle here, one triangle, and then here. This one will call it as parallelogram. Okay, see the four-sided figure, we'll call it as parallelogram. And then here one dot is shaded and another dot is open, isn't it? Let us go through each and every option. Option 1, yes, a triangle. And then why not the option 2? Option 1 is wrong here because it is divided into two parts. It is divided into two. Therefore, option 1 is the wrong answer. Now we'll go with the option 2. Yes, here some triangle, here also a triangle, and then shaded part and then open part. Shaded part is on the left hand side and the unshaded part is in the right hand side. Yes, this looks as same as the problem figure, isn't it? Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. Now, why not the option 3 is the correct answer? See here in the upper, it is the triangle is divided into two parts. The small triangle, it has been divided into two parts. So option 3 is also wrong. Now we'll go with the option 4. Yes, see here it looks like same like a problem figure. See triangle and then one more parallelogram. But now look at the shadings, isn't it? It is first one is right in the question figure. The left hand side is shaded, but here the right hand shade is differ. Now you will be having the confusion between option 2 and then option 4, isn't it? You people have the option here. Doubt between option 2 and the option 4. Why not the option 2 is the correct answer? Because look here in the option question figure, a small triangle and it consists of some parallelogram, and then the right side is shaded and the left side is unshaded. When coming to the option 2, it is like look same as the problem figure, but in the option 4 it is vice versa. The left side is unshaded and the right side is shaded. So what is the procedure here? We have to follow the same figure which has given as the problem figure, isn't it? So option 2 is the correct answer. We have to identify the same figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. There should not be even a single mistake there. I hope you all understood. We'll move on to the next question. Third question. Look at the question. A rectangle and then right angle triangle and then small circle. The small circle is in the middle. Can you observe this? A square and then right angle and then small circle. We'll go with the option 1 now. So yes, it is also a right angle triangle, and then look at the position of this circle in every figures. Okay, look at the position of the circle. It is in the middle. It is in the corner. So option 1 is the wrong answer. Now go with the option 2. It is in the corner, to the bottom corner. So second one is not also a correct answer. Go with the option 1. It is totally wrong because it is a square. It is also not a correct answer. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. It is a right angle triangle and then this circle is situated at the center of the circle. So which is the correct option here? The problem figure is similar to the given figure. We have to identify the same figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. Therefore option 4 is the correct answer. So my dear kids, go through each and every option. If why one is not a wrong answer, why it is not applicable, you should check with it and then we should move on. Okay, it is very easiest chapter, but we have to go with the patience. We have to go patiently and we should solve. And we'll see one more question. Yes, this question looks very beautiful, isn't it? Like flag, triangle, circle. See how many geometrical figures is this particular question as: circle, triangle, and then rectangle. Yes, 3. Let us see this. See a circle and then the flag shape one here, and then triangle, and then your rectangle. Okay, go with option 1. Yes, circle, and then see here it is your rectangle, but it is triangle. Can you see here? It is rectangle, here triangle. So option 1 is wrong. Go with the option 2. Yes, see at the top it is circle, but it is at the in the second option the top it is triangle. So option 2 is also wrong. Go with option 3 now. Yes, it looks like same as the problem figure. Let me solve this. Yes, a circle, a flag shape, triangle, rectangle. Yes, it looks like same as the problem figure. This is the correct answer. Why not the fourth one? See here, it is reverse of that, isn't it? At the top only it has came with a square. So it is not a correct answer. Here we have to find the same problem figure which resembles the problem figure only. We have to identify which is exactly same as the problem figure. So what is the correct option? Option 3 is the correct answer. This is a very easiest chapter where you can score out of 4, but we have to go through each and every option, and you should be calm and patient while solving this question. If you are in a hurry, then you'll definitely will make a mistake. Okay, I hope you all following it what I'm teaching. It is a very easy. Then we'll move to the next question. Yes, next question. It's the toy. You all played. When you are in the kids, you all played in the toy, isn't it? It looks like toy only. Let's see now. Yes, a toy. And then see, you have to see the darkened shade also, where it is shaded, where it is unshaded and all. See a small circle, rectangle, and then the left side is unshaded and right side is shaded. Okay. Now let us analyze the first option. Why not the first option? Because here the two also shaded. Here in the problem figure it is unshaded. So option 1 is not a answer. Now we'll go with the option 2. Yes, option 2 is not a correct answer because it has been reversed. The first have to come with a circle and then the rectangle. So option 2 is also a wrong. We'll go with the option 3 now. Yes, see here a small circle and then rectangle, and then unshaded part is on the left and the shaded part is on the right. Yes, it looks same like a problem figure, right? Yes, therefore option 3 is the correct answer. Why not option 4 here? See, in the option question figure, the rectangle and then circles are facing to each other, but here it is like straight, isn't it? So option 4 is not a correct answer. So we have to find out the same problem figure which resembles the problem figure only among the 4 alternative. Even there should be not even a single dot also. So what is the correct option? Option 3 is the correct answer. We have to identify the figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. Next, we'll move on to the 7th one. Yes, 7th one is difficult and it is looking very beautiful, isn't it? Like a circle and then lines. Okay, look at the figure carefully. Now, see the first figure 1, 2, 3, 4. It consists of 4 lines, and then the first line isn't it like zigzag? Okay, it is like zigzag. The first line is like zigzag, and then straight line again the straight. Now, why is not a first one is not a correct answer? Because it has all the lines having the straight line. See, it is having one zigzag line and then straight line, zigzag line, and the zigzag line. This one is called as zigzag lines. It's smallly drawn, okay, in the figure. So option 1 is not a correct answer because all the 5 lines is also a straight line. So option 1 is not a answer. We'll go with the option 2 now. Yes, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 zigzag line, 1 straight line, and a zigzag line. The first one and then the fourth one, okay, is a zigzag line, and then rest all straight line. It looks resembles the problem figure only. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. Why not the option 3 is correct answer? See, option 3 is a correct, not a correct answer because it is drawn horizontally. Can you see here? It all drawn horizontally. Can you see? But here the lines are straight. Okay, the line says straight, but in the option it is like horizontal. See, it is like horizontal. So option 3 is not a correct answer. Slide. And then option 4 totally different. So which is the correct answer here? Option 2 is a correct answer, which resembles the problem figure. Therefore, the problem figure is similar to the figure. So given option answer figure, we have to identify the figure which is same as the problem figure. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. It is very easiest chapter, right? It is like playing, where we can play like match the following. We have played the puzzle, isn't it? By placing the scene figure. Yes, it is like same only. By playing only we can solve. When like that only we should concentrate in all the chapters, so that it will be very easy to solve the question and answers. Now, yes, see your cat, meow meow cat, isn't it? Pussycat, pussycat. We have learned the rhymes in the LKG, UKG, isn't it? Pussycat. Now your pussycat is your question now. Now look at the question. A cat, okay, a cat here, it is facing towards the left side. It has been 2 ears and then 2 eyes. Go with the option 1 now. See, it is bulged, isn't it? So option 1 is not a correct answer. And then option 2. See, can you see the ears of the cat here? It is like triangle. Can you see? It is like a triangle, but it is like curved, isn't it? In the option 2, it is curved. So option 2 is the correct, not a correct answer. Go with option 3. Yes, see your cat ears and then eyes, and it is in the same position. So it is the correct answer. Why not it? Fourth one is correct answer. See, it is not having the, what is that, the position is different. In the fourth one, the position is different. You have to see here, my dear kids, you have to see the position of each and every object, and you have to look carefully for the figure, whether it is shaded or whether it is not shaded, increasing and decreasing of the object and distribution of the object. So you have to go through problem figure carefully, and then you have to find out the scene figure. So which is the correct option? See, option 1, option 3, it looks like same as the problem figure, isn't it? So the given problem is similar to the figure given in the option 3. Therefore, option 3 is the correct answer. In this chapter, you have to find out the same problem figure which is exactly same as the answer figure. Now, 8th question, let us see here. Oh, it is like, yes, let us see. It consists of a small square at all the corners, isn't it? Now let us see. Why not the first one? See here, in the first one, it is like here the same, but look at this diagonal side. It is of opposite side. The squares is at opposite side. So the first one is not a correct answer. Go with the option 2. Yes, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is all the third figure. It is down, square is down, and then second figure, and then third, and then it seems looks as a problem figure. Why not the third one is the correct answer? Because see, can you say this? The middle line, the different, it is in the facing towards the upwards, isn't it? And then the fourth one, it is facing towards the, both are facing towards the downward, isn't it? So which is the correct option here? Option 2 is the correct answer, which resembles the problem figure. Here you have to find out the same problem figure with the questions. Okay, we have to find out the same similar figure and the problem figure. The problem figure is similar to the given figure in option 2 of the answer figure. So we have to identify the figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. So which is the correct option here? Option 2 is the correct answer. I hope you all understanding, isn't it? Very easiest chapter where you can score out of all, but you have to concentrate. Just you have to see to the diagram once. There is no tricky or nothing. You have to observe carefully each and every diagram. And then the 9th one, yes, see, it is very looking very beautiful, isn't it? You have to observe. Now we'll analyze this. Yes, a square consists of 4 corners, and then circle, 1 dot. Now, why not the first one is correct answer? Because see here the corners here are drawn with a straight line. Here it is drawn with a curve. So option 1 is wrong answer. Now we'll go with the option 2. Yes, here the two mistakes here. Yes, the corners is drawn between the curves and then the center part is a circle, but here it is a square. So option 2 is a correct, not a correct answer. Yes, option 3 totally does a different figure. Yes, now we'll go with the option 4. See a square and then 4 corners, circle and then circle. In the circle it is one dot. So it resembles the same as the problem figure, isn't it? So option 4, the problem figure is similar to the figure given in the option 4 of the figures. We have to identify the figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. Now look here, the problem figure and then the option figure is same. So option 4 is the correct answer. Now, yes, one more question. Here, the question is umbrella. Yes, you have learned U for umbrella. In the LKG, KG classes, we have learned the umbrella, isn't it? It is used when a rain is available. Now, let us see, you have to see the each and every position here. Now, let us analyze. It is having one dot, you have one hole, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is having the 6 lines, isn't it? It is having the 6 lines here. How many lines? It is having the 6 lines, and then it is like curve. See, one up and down, 2. Okay, 2 up and down. Why not the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 lines, the same curve. See, look at this one. It is bulge, isn't it? The darken, the hole is bulge. So option 1 is wrong. See, look at the option 2. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is having the 6 lines and then curves. 1, 2 complete curves, and it's same look as it is like looks like same as the problem figure. Yes, option 2 is the correct answer. Why not option 3 here? It is there is no curve. So option 3 is wrong. Yes, option 4. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 lines and then curves is also 2 complete curves. See here it is same look like a problem figure, but you have to listen here. You have to check with the, you have the doubt between your 2 and 4, isn't it? Now look at the hole here. It is little darkened when compared to problem figure. It is little darkened. Can you see here? By joining, it is very darkened. So option 2 is the correct answer. We have to go through very carefully. We have to, whether it is darkened, whether it is shaded, whether it is bulged, or how many curves. We have to go through each and every problem. So the problem figure is similar to the figure given in the option 2 of the answer figure. We have to identify the figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. Therefore, which is the correct option there? Option 2 is the correct answer. This is how you have to find out the second chapter for your syllabus, that is figure matching. And so far, and my dear kids, so far we have solved the question answers based on figure matching. It is very easiest chapter where you can score out of it. Okay, I hope you all understood this. We'll recall once. Okay, figure matching, the second chapter for your syllabus under for mental ability. Okay, for Navodaya under mental ability section, it is a non-verbal test. Non-verbal test is nothing but which consists of only figures and diagrams. Okay, which consists of only figures and diagrams. Then it is how the question will be arising here. They'll give one figure at the left hand side and 4 figures. Okay, 4 alternative figures at the right hand side. So what we have to do, we have to find out the same figure, problem figure at the option. We have to choose the correct option among the 4 alternatives, and we have to choose the correct answer. And to solve this, we have some methodologies. Okay, what are the methodologies here? The first point, we have to observe the figure carefully, isn't it? We have to go through each and every figures carefully, and then we have to check whether it is decreasing or decreasing, and distribution, and then rotation. This and all we have to check. And as soon as seeing the figure, we should not pick the answer. Go through each and every option, start reasoning. Okay, if first one is not a correct answer, we should able to reason that why it is not a correct answer, what is the mistake in it. Now if you have started reasoning the question and answers in the exam, in the fraction of second, you can solve it. Okay, my dear kids, it is a very easiest chapter where you can score out of it. My suggestion is to please be calm while solving this question. Please be calm, go through the question figure twice and then tick the answer figure by analyzing each and every option. I hope you all understood this chapter. It is like playing, isn't it, where you can score out of it very easiest. All the best, we can do best, you can score best marks in this chapter. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, you can message to this number, or if you missed any session, please click on the link given below. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.